Assalamu alaikum, grade 6. Welcome to the mathematics class. I'm your teacher, Ms. Umar Ali. So we were doing the chapter number 8 of a percentage, and we already done the question number 1 of exercise 8b. Today we will cover the question number 2, 3 and 4, which is on a book page number 199. Okay. So open your book and read the question or question number 2, which we have a 20% of a number is 17. Find the number. 20% of a number is 17. 1% of number, what it will be? You have to simply divide the 20 by the this one. If the number is hundreds of a number, so you have to put the 100. Simply do the calculation. How you can do the calculation? Look at this. Simple cut the, read the table of a 20, 21 is a 20, 25 is a 100, and simply multiply 17 by 5, you will get the 85. Okay, that's how we can do the next question. In the B part, we have 175% of a number is 49. Find the number. So what you will do, we have to do same thing. When we are doing the for the one number, so simply divide 49 by 175. Then when we are going to find out the value of 100%, simply you have to multiply by the 100. Read the table of a 25. 25 4 is 100. Okay, and 25 7s are 175, 7 ones are 7, 7 sevens are 49. Simply multiply 7 by 4, you will get the 28. That's how we can do the C part and the D part. Okay, the both are same, so you have to do the calculation and must show the calculation in your notebooks. Okay, so now we have a question number 3. In the question number 3, an elastic band which is 72 centimeter long is stretched to 90 centimeter. Find the percentage increase in the length. What we have? Percentage increase in the length of elastic band. In the last we have a 90 centimeter. You have to subtract with the 72, which was the old one. So simply you have to divide by the old value. What is the old value? What was the old value? 72. So simply you have to subtract and you will get the 18, and there we have a 72. Are they coming in the same table? Yes. You can read the table of a 9. For your simplification, I am reading the question number table of a 9. 9 2s are 18 and 9 8s are 72. Again I will read the table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4, and 4 2. Again, if in the table of we are doing the 4 table, so read the table. 25 is a 100, 25 is a 100. Simply multiply them, you will get that 25%. Okay, now read the question number 4. I'm not reading the question number 4 from the book because it's too long, so you will read it from the book. I will explain it. In the question number 4, we have 2 parts. In the first part, they are saying that given that there was an increase of a 30% in the value of a watt from 2008 to 2009 for a secondary 1 student in the top 5%. So you have to find out the value from the book, and the second row we have a secondary 1 to 5 value, and they are asking find the value of award of a secondary 1 student in the top 5% in the 2009. So you have to find out. So what is the value they are giving you? That that increase in the 30%. The increase in 30%, we already know that originally we have 100%. Okay, originally we were having 100%, and when we are adding it, so you can say that you have to add. What is the addition? They were adding you the 30%. Okay, so you can say that the total percentage is now is 30%. And when we are removing the percentage sign, you already know that we have to divide by the 100. So simply cut these two 0 with these two 0. Simply multiply 130 by the 5. You will get the answer 650. Okay, now we have a question part 2. Find the percentage increase in the value of the award from 2008 to 2009 for a primary 4 students in the next 5. What is this in the next 5? So we have to increase value from 2008 to 2005 for a primary 4 in the next percentage is 350 degree, which is $350, which is already given in 2009 table on the third row in your book. You have to subtract it with the old value, which is which was on 2008 is a 250 degree $250. Simply you have to divide with the old value, and then you will get the 100 upon 250. Simply you can do the calculation by using the cutting. This one 0 is I'm cutting it, and then I'll do the table of 25 and the 25 4s are 100. Simply you can multiply 4 with the 10, you will get the 40 degree. Okay, that's the end of today's lecture. You have to practice to make you have to make the practice a lot to become an expert in the percentage. So good luck. Allah Hafiz.